Hi everyone, welcome back to Linda Libra Loca. Today I wanted to show you the quite minimal makeup that I have been wearing while we were on holiday. We did a camper van trip to Norway to visit my brother-in-law, and I didn't pack much obviously, but I prefer to be with makeup just to feel and look a little more put together. So minimal face, few products, but yeah, I think a really nice look. To start out, I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown corrector in the color Light Bisque. And this is, I think, number 5 or something like that, because I find it makes such a difference to my under eye darkness. And if I had blemishes, I'd go in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the color Light Neutral. I would apply that on the back of my hand and then dab it onto any spots where I would need more coverage. Kind of pinpoint concealing all over, and the color Light Neutral is way too dark for me in winter. I can only use it if I have a little bit of a tan. With that done, I'm going in with the Sephora Mircosmooth Baked Face Compact in the color Light 15. I'm not sure if they make that anymore, but I love this powder for the summertime. It is like a matte mineralized skin finish, but of course more affordable because it is Sephora's own brand. And it is buildable, as you can see, to medium coverage, never looks flat. It doesn't keep my skin really matte throughout the day, but yeah, it's okay in summer. It does feel like nothing on the skin, so perfect for traveling. Next thing I took with me, this is a Clinique Chubby stick for eyes, and it's, I think, Ample Amber. It's completely rubbed off, and I just apply that messily on my lids. I couldn't be bothered with bringing many pencils or things like that, and it's just a wash of color, but it emphasizes the blue in my eyes. The only brush that I did bring, this one is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. It's a dual-ended brush just to blend out a little. The skin on my eyes is very, very thin, so you can see all the lines and veins and all that. I don't really feel comfortable with wearing nothing on my lids. For liner, I reached for the Pixi Endless Silky Eye Pan in Matte Mulberry. It's a brown, so it's not as in-your-face obvious as black would be, but it is a brown with a twist. It has kind of violet purple undertone, which I like. And I just applied it messily to my lash line, took the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil again and blended. So I'd end up with a softer edge, but still some definition along my lash line. Brows, my trusted Catrice State with Ashton brow pencil, just filling them in. And then a tinted brow gel by Alverde, which is a German, all-natural, organic drugstore brand. Finishing the eyes with my newest mascara, mini. This one is by Lancome. It's the Lancome Hypnose Doll Eyes in So Black. It isn't the most volumizing formula, long lashes, but without looking too obviously clumpy. And then, to finish everything off, for cheeks and lips, I only packed the Pixi and Dolce Candy Lip Candy Palette, which work equally good on lips as well as on cheeks. With the exception of these 3 down there, the palette is kind of more on the subtle side, which I prefer for holiday. And these are cooler shades, neutral shades, and warmer shades, so you can mix and match to your heart's desire. I usually stick to these 4 up there. Just dab a bit on my cheeks. Looks kind of intense, but as you will see in a second, blends out beautifully without being too obvious, leaving just a natural flush. That same color goes on my lips today for just a bit of color to define my lip shape without anything too obvious. So yeah, pretty handy for traveling. And the lipstick stays on, the blushes last all day on me, and lipsticks, yeah, well, until I eat a proper meal. And there you go, a really subtle everyday makeup that I loved for the holidays because I think I look fresh without looking too made up, and everything took me around 5 minutes, and yes, Even though you're on holiday, getting ready quickly is key when you travel with little kids. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the vlogs that I have coming. Like, comment, you know the drill. I'll see you again very soon with another one. Bye.